In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace in Google Antigravity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go inside your Agent Manager. So if I press Ctrl plus E, as it says over here, it's going to open up the Agent Manager. And as you can see, I have two workspaces over here already, okay? So let's make a new one. Now, to do this, you want to go back. So you want to exit your Agent Manager, click on File, and then Open Folder, okay? When you do this here, you have to basically select your folder where you want to create your new workspace. So I'm just going to go to my Downloads folder here, right click and create a new folder. And I'm just going to name this one New Workspace and then #1. There we go. And I'm going to click on Select Folder. Now from here, when you do that, I'm going to actually go in here, click Select Folder again. And there we go. It's basically going to create this. It's going to say, if I trust the author, I'm just going to click on Yes, I do, because it's myself. And then if I go inside my Agent Manager again, you'll be able to see that a new workspace has been created. And it's over here. I can see all my chats, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.